Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as you can tell from today's topic, today I'm gonna see my mom's reaction to me wearing a short skirt outside. Usually I just wear shorts in the house. I never really never wear anything short outside of the house, even if I'm inside. When I see someone coming, I'd have to go and change into something else. So this might not be short to the average person, but this is very short in my home. In my home, this is very short, very short. So I'm wearing this to my mom's shop. It's very short for my mom to see me in this outside. I think the past few days we want to just give my mom a heart attack, but you know what to do. I'm actually going to the salon. I'm really scared to do this because church folks, I know it's not short to you, but to me and to my family it is very short. Okay, very, very short. So walk with me to my mom's shop, then to the salon, and then back home. Okay, stay tuned. Guys, I don't think I can do this. I'm already shaky. Guys, I don't think I can do this. I give up because I'm not even at the shop yet, and the stairs I am getting. Guys, pray for me. If I meet my pastor, I know my pastor will be watching this, but pastor, it's not my fault. I really should. Okay. If it doesn't get the hype it deserves, y'all are dead. Okay. Don't mind my face, I'm breaking out. It's part of those things. But guys, really pray for me, because I think I'm gonna wear something on it till I get to the shop. I'm gonna see what you do, but this is how do y'all do it? It feels so weird. Okay, so we'll talk about this later. You guys, if anything happens to my mom, I blame you. It feels so weird. Okay guys, we're almost there. What do you want?
I really want to end this right now. This one is just ruining everything for me. Could she just stop talking already? She told my mom we were videoing her. I was so mad, but I had to pretend anyway. Still, she didn't notice. Well, let's keep watching. Well, this just happened. She really did that. Like that. Like that. You imagine? Ah.
Oh my.
Hang up to yourself.
What jare? Me so what jare?
Money for Colonel Seminama. Kafra what?
That's my videographer. For today, my mom nearly beat her up. Ma.
So what?
And so that is how much I love to worry my mom. In any case, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, share. Leave my mama some hearts and let me know if you want more such content. And I'll see you next time. Bye guys.